Make a second income from the stock market. See the tips found here. If you're a beginning investor, you, no doubt, have many questions about the way the stock market operates. There is much information available on the web today, but finding the right information can be difficult. However, you are in luck, because this video will give you the information that you need to better understand the stock market and its intricacies. If you'd like the maximum cash amount from investing, create an investment plan. It is important to understand what your goals are and to have reasonable expectations. Understand that the stock market is largely unpredictable in the short term. Never sell your stocks without giving each one time to generate profits. Never rely on hearsay, as following the crowd is often a recipe for disaster. When everyone buys the same stocks, the value will decrease and less people are going to buy it in the future. Think independently and do your own research, instead of solely depending on what others say. One way to reduce your risk with investing money in the stock market is to practice diversification. You can do this by investing in a wide range of companies from tech stocks to blue chips. Also invest some of your money into bonds. The easiest way to practice diversification is to purchase mutual funds. Know the risks of different types of investments. Stocks are generally riskier than bonds, for instance. Riskier investments, generally, have higher payoff potentials, while less risky vehicles tend to provide lower, more consistent returns. Understanding the differences between different vehicles can allow you to make the best decisions about what to do with your money, in both the short and long terms. Every stockholder would be wise to understand the importance of patience and persistence. You are likely not going to get rich quick overnight, and you are sure to make some mistakes along the way. However, the most important thing you can do to ensure success is stay with it without getting discouraged. For some fun in investing in stocks, take a look at penny stocks. The term applies not just to stocks worth pennies, but most stocks with values less than a few dollars. Since these stocks come dirt cheap, even a movement of $1 or $2 can yield major dividends. This can be a low-cost way of learning the markets. Before delving into the stock market, you should have a basic knowledge about stocks. Stocks, which are also called shares, are segments of a company which people may purchase. So when you own a company's stock, you actually own a piece of the company. When it comes to shares, there are two different types, common shares and preferred shares. In terms of investments, common shares are the riskiest. Now that you've finished this video, you should have a better understanding of the way the stock market works and how you can use it to your financial advantage. Take heed of this practical advice, and you'll be on your way to making wise investment decisions that will prove to be profitable. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega whining trader, Barthélemy MC.